In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how I can fix the Max Payne freeze team underscore api.dll error on your Windows 11. So let's get started. The first thing we need to do is to go to the Windows search bar and we need to type cmd. Then we have to click the option run as administrator in the right pane and simply type sfc space forward slash scan now, SFC space forward slash scan now and hit enter. The system scan will begin, so simply wait for the process to be 100% completed. And once this is 100% completed, this will scan for and fix any system corrupted files. Just type exit in the command prompt window. And then right click at the start button, shut down or sign out and restart. Next method, click on the start button and then go to settings. You can also try to reinstall the program that is giving you the error. Click on apps on the left pane and click on installed apps. Simply locate the application that is giving you the error. Click on the three dots and select uninstall and simply reinstall it into your Windows. Then still from the list of options on the left pane, click on Windows Update and simply click the button right here to check for all the available updates that is necessary for your Windows. And then go to the Windows search bar and type system information. Click on it under the best match. Take note of your system type and then open a browser. Search for Visual C++ for distributable and hit enter. Click on the first option. Scroll down and simply click the link corresponding to your system type and install the Visual C++ to your Windows 11. Okay, so that's it and I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you for watching the video.